Stan's Roofing and Siding here out in Mokina, Illinois today to show off a great, outstanding looking Hardie project we just got done completed not too long ago. We also redid the deck for them here in some Timbertech decking there to make it maintenance free for them. The before and after, and I'll throw a before picture in this video too, is just incredible looking. It was just brown, old cedar brown and drabby with brown soffit fascia gutters, just a lot of brown. Now the homeowners went ahead with some James Hardie fiber cement siding in the blue that you can see, and then also with white accents in Hardie, and then some aluminum soffit fascia gutters. Some accents that we did, we added a little extra detail there on both the peaks, and then that peak over there too. Just really love the dynamics of this blue with the brown brick, the weathered wood roof there. Just the accents look fantastic on this. Just wanted to stop around the back here and show off the back too, just because it just looks so great. The blue with the white trim and the white accents just really makes everything pop out nicely. So if there's any kind of transformation we could help you on your house, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit our website at www.stansroofingandsiding.com for all your siding, soffit fascia, gutters, windows, decks, doors, skylights, roofing needs.